Now every cheap hood strikes a bargain with the